Today we have a blizzard. It's a snow day. We're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches of snow, and right now it is coming down very nicely. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I think we're at probably about at least a foot of snow right now. Last night we had nothing, and this morning we have about a foot of snow. It's beautiful. It's very nice, soft. We have a blizzard warning, but there's no wind. The wind must be picking up later tonight, because right now there is zero wind. The snow is just gentle, slowly falling in. It's awesome. I love it. Let's blow some snow. It's a wet snow. That ain't gonna work. All right, we're gonna do another checkup. I was out here maybe an hour and a half ago. We already got like another 3 inches, 2 inches, maybe 3 inches. Getting snow, and more snow. Holy crap. I love when we get these type of, I love snowstorms. I love these. These are just nice, steady, beautiful soft snowfall. No wind, not much for wind, and it's just calm. But the geese this morning are going crazy. They're not very active, but this morning, there was just tons of them.
3 tons of them.
Sitting right out here, and they woke me up because they were just so loud. Ooh, it's a little windier out here. Now, ooh, this is cold wind. If I do the polar plunge though, oh, look at this. This is just phenomenal. Look how deep that is, man. Look at how deep that is in there. Look at that. Just made some taters here. And now I'm gonna go out and do that polar plunge, jump in the water. Out there. I don't know. I might limp out, but I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, this is deep. Dude, this is over 2 feet deep. Holy shnikes. It's coming in. Oh shoot. Okay. It's knee deep. It's holy cripes. I've never walked through snow this cold. This is freezing on my legs. My legs are literally freezing. I can't even step out of it. Let's go scare these buggers. Holy freak, this is freezing. I don't know if I can do this, guys. Oh, actually, the water is actually warmer than the snow. It's still freaking cold. This is freaking cold, guys. Don't ever do this. Oh, I can't freaking breathe. Whew. I got brain freeze. This is way steep snow right now. I scared up all the geese. My hair is ice. It is ice. And now I'm in the warm. Now I'm sitting in the warm bath. It was amazing. But honestly, jumping in there, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought I wouldn't be able to do it, but it was actually decently easy, and I could definitely do it again. It is actually worse walking through the snow than going in the water. And even the snow wasn't bad. After you got used to it, it just right away it kind of felt like being stabbed by knives. But this bath feels tremendous. Got some goose here that we got yesterday. I'm cleaning this up and I'm gonna cook this to this in the crock pot. I'm gonna set it in there. I'm trying to make like a barbecue, like almost like pulled pork, but with goose. I'm gonna try to make that for tomorrow for lunch. Since it's a snow day, I got nothing else to do. I've never tried this, so I'm gonna make some pulled goose, I guess you could say. So I've had this sitting in this salt water for about 24 hours. Now I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and nice and throw it in the crock pot. Got my goose in here. I put in like some chicken broth, onions, garlic, butter, Worcestershire Worcestershire sauce, however the heck you say that. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika. So hopefully this turns out to be good. I don't know. It's kind of just throwing crab together and seeing what happens with it. And then I'll check on her in the morning and see what we got. Dude, this is insane. Just look how deep this is. Look how deep it is. I've never seen snow like this out here that deep. Record-breaking storm. I think we had 18 inches yesterday. Record-breaking storm. So I just ran the snowblower until I ran out of gas here. But this is what I got to. Look, I got all this done. And I got a little trail done in here. Just look how deep this is. Wish I had a ruler or tape measure, but can't find it. Convenient time to not be able to find one, right? Probably take a break from now, go eat some lunch. And it's back to work, dude. Got the truck there. Oh, the snow. The truck is bigger. I'm gonna show you guys. This thing is just buried under snow. Look at it! It is completely covered. So my goose from yesterday is now done. It's been sitting in here for quite a while. Probably about 10 to 12 hours. And I've tried it and it's actually pretty good. I know I was going for like pulled pork. It's more like a roast beef. Or like a roast, you know? Tried it and it ain't too bad. It ain't bad. It's a little gamey, but it isn't bad at all. It's moist. Gamey. Yeah, it is gamey. It's not. I don't think I'll do it again, but it isn't bad. Alright, so I threw it on a bun here with some barbecue sauce. Let's see how this one tastes. It's alright. It's, not great. Would definitely rather have pulled pork. Well, guys, give you guys a little checkup and show you guys what it looks like here the day after getting 20 inches of snow. Look at this. It's beautiful because the sun is just setting here. Just look how pretty it is. The sun is just shining. But this is some deep snow. Like, this is over my knee. There we go. Got some geese coming in. Perfect timing. I just scared up all the geese again. But this snow out here is just so incredibly deep. But you can see last night the river froze over because it was so cold. So now it's just iced out there. Winter's here. If you guys haven't yet, go check out my Arizona videos. Yeah, those are some. But hey guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Just did the polar plunge. Hair's frozen.